Hey everybody, it's Sharna. I wanted to come to you today to show you how to set up your domain name and get it forwarded. A lot of people have been asking me kind of how I got mine set up, where did I go, who did I use, just to kind of help them get started. And so I just wanted to do this quick tutorial just to kind of lead you in the right direction and show you how to do it, so then you can learn, then you can implement, then you can apply, and then you can teach others, because that's how we grow, right? Is by teaching others. So here we go. So first you're going to go to your search engine, and I'm just going to use my Chrome, and it already has Bing pulled up, so I'll just type it in here. And I go GoDaddy 99-cent domain, hit enter. And so first thing that pops up is GoDaddy 99-cent domain sale. Just click it. Okay. And so it says compare and save big 99cent.com domains, new and transfers. So it is some restrictions or limitations to this. You kind of have to play around with it and see which one works for you. If one of your names that you want is not available, then just kind of tweak it a little bit, change it until you find one that fits you and that you like and that works. Okay, so I'm gonna go through and just put in one for me. Okay, and just it's under .com, and then you just hit search. So it says snap it up before somebody else does. It's available. Woohoo! So hit add, and then continue to cart. So it automatically defaults to a 2 years. Sometimes it does default to a 5 year. I've seen that happen. But what you can do is under your term here, just click the drop down menu and change it to 1 year. And it automatically changes it to subtotal price of 99 cents. So there is a fee, which is just like 18 cents. So the total price you'll be paying for your domain name is $1.17 for the year, which is awesome. It's better, than paying $14.99. It's a sale, so who doesn't like sales? So after that, if you haven't, chosen anything else or any other matching domains like this here, then you just scroll down and proceed to checkout. Okay, the next thing is asking you to sign in if you're a returning customer, or if you're a new customer, you have to set up, a GoDaddy account. So since I am a returning customer, I'm just going to go ahead and sign in, and then I'll show you, how to forward your domain. Okay. Just logging in. Okay, so all my stuff is already in here, and I don't need that. So since I already got my stuff, I can go out of this. So I'm going to go to, once you get in there and pay for everything, then you go to manage your domains. And I already have 5 set up already. And just so you know, I got all of mine for 99 cents. I just played around with it until, they all popped up 99 cents, and I only paid $1.17 for each one of mine. So I'm going to go to my Sweet and Sassy Graphics. I haven't set it with, my blog yet, because I have a separate blog just for Sweet and Sassy Graphics that I'm working on. So I'm going to show you how to set it up through that one that I don't have set up yet, okay? So let me click on it. Okay, so after you click on it, what you can do is you scroll down, and then where it says forwarding here, you can click manage. Okay, so it says you are not forwarding this domain. add a new one. So that's what I want to do. Okay, so what you would do here, just say if you had a blog, you would go to your blog, get that hosting name or domain name, and you would put it here. So I'm going to show you how I do it from my blog that I use. So I'm going to go over to my Empower Network, which is the blogging platform that I use. I'm going to sign in. Out of that. Okay, so what I'm going to do, this is how I set up mine with Empower. You may have a different blogging platform that you use, or if you have a website, you might have a website designer that does yours, so all they need is the domain name to set you up. But if you are, just in case, using Empower or thinking about using Empower's viral blogging system, then you'll know how to do it from this way. So what I do first is I go to View, Edit My Blog. And then it takes me here. This is my blogging platform. Set up. Okay, so what we do here, we click on the little plus symbol here, and it brings down all our blogging stuff that we have. And I have 3 set up. You can set up to 10. Just say if you have, just want to have a personal blog, or if you have, a specific business that you do, if you're an artist, if you have different products, you can set up to 10 different blogs, which is great. And it's already set up for you. It's customized. All you have to do is, change some colors, add stuff if you want to, and that's it. So mine is Sweet and Sassy Graphics, so I'm going to go to that domain, and nothing's there yet. I did put my logo here, but nothing else is done. So I'm going to just go up here to my address here for my blog and just copy it, and then I'm going to go back to GoDaddy, and then where, like I said, add forwarding, I'm just going to paste it in the forward to. So once I paste it, and just to make sure, like at the front, I copied the HTTP again, so just delete that. And then what I'm going to do is make sure it's permanent, and then I'm going to forward only. You can mask it, but I don't, forward with masking with my blog. So that is it. And then I'm going to do that. So then I just add it. And so it's just giving you confirmation that you're forwarding your domain name, which is my sweetandSassyGraphics.com, to my Sweet and Sassy Graphics Empower blog. Forward only, everything else is good. So then I just hit save, and it'll tell you that your domain forwarding has been sent, and it does take a few minutes. Usually doesn't take up to 30 minutes. Mine usually takes maybe a couple minutes. So once that is done, you will then be able to go, just say if I log out of here, probably won't do it yet, but we'll just try it out. And just if I type in if I type in that, in a few minutes it should be able to pop up, and it should take me straight to that blog. So let's see if it does it. See, it's not done yet. But if it was done, it would take me to that blog. And then you can just leave it here for your blog or whatever that you're using, and then just hit fresh in a few minutes. And then it should be set up. So hopefully that helps you to set up your domain name, get it for 99 cents hopefully, and then forward it to your blog or whatever that you're going to be using it for to forward it to. If this helped you in any way, please like this blog video, share, comment, and like I said, once you get it down packed, then teach it to others to help you grow as well. And remember to live, create, and inspire. Live your life to the fullest. Create new memories to last a lifetime, and inspire others to be better than they were the day before. And if you're interested in getting your own Empower viral blogging system platform, contact me or click the link below and get set up today. Talk to you soon. Bye.